Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, it helps a lot. Today is special, we're unboxing a gift my son received. And trust me, it's not just a toy. It's a whole adventure packed into one box, a miniature world of race tracks, crazy ramps, helicopters, levers, and mechanical magic, no batteries needed. Let's check it out together. And by the way, you can grab something like this on Amazon for around 1300 rupees. Now let's take a look at the box itself. You'll see this epic 3D image showing all the race tracks, vehicles, levers, and buttons. It's like a mini amusement park. The box also highlights that it's made of safe materials and lists the skills it helps build: reaction time, color recognition, grasping ability, and most importantly, the joy of victory. Time to open it up. I'm cutting the tape now. And wow, that's a lot of plastic pieces inside. Bright, colorful components packed in clear covers. It's neatly arranged and looks exciting already. Let's see what's inside these packets. First pack, we've got some funky looking blocks, small pillars, trees, a bridge section, and parts of a crane. Also spotted, gates, rooftops, and some track components. These plastic trees add a nice aesthetic touch, very playful. Now for the fun part, the vehicles. We have an ambulance, a police car, a fire truck, a private car, and a helicopter with working blades. Most have functional steel wheels for smooth rolling. Super cool. Now here's the core of the toy, the main base with buttons and ramps. Watch this, press the yellow button, and a mechanical arm pushes the car forward. Turn this knob and the ramp lifts like a roller coaster. That's how cars get to the top. There's a red button lifting a section of the racetrack. And another lever, it moves a rotating platform. All mechanical, no batteries, that's genius. This lever here pulls this yellow attachments down. Not sure what this lever does, maybe something to do with the crane, we will find out soon. Let's start assembling. Slot the pillars into the red outer racetrack. Done. Align it with the main base, click, it locks in place. These pillars are functional and really do support this outer ramp. Let's fix this ramp part, it easily slots in place. Now, let's add the green crane. It fits right into the slot. Operate the gray lever, and it moves the crane up and down. Awesome engineering. Next, we fix the swinging arm of the crane with this yellow lever. This acts like an elevator to lift vehicles up. Love the cantilever design here. Installing the bridge now, both ends snap in perfectly. Press a button, the lever lifts to flatten the bridge. Release it, and it falls to lift the bridge, like those shipyard drawbridges. Adding a barricade gate here, fixed. Time for the helicopter. It's mounted on a support pillar. Slot and lock, done. Looks great hovering over the setup. Now a small house structure with a red roof goes here, followed by some trees for decoration. Signal lamp goes near the starting point. Perfect. Let me walk you through the race path. Start, turnstile, ramp up, bridge, downward track, crane lift, and loop back again. Alright, let's test it out. I placed the police car at the top, and whoosh, it zooms down. Now the ambulance, fire truck, and private car go in. Watch this, yellow button pressed, car jumps, the helicopter catches it with a magnet, turns, and drops it through the barricade. Then we close the bridge, and it races forward. The crane lifts the fire truck, and zoom, down it goes. The red button pushes the car forward into the rotating platform. It's like a roller coaster of cars. Let's try the ambulance. It rolls up, aligns under the helicopter, press jump, and boom, airlifted. This toy is so much fun. I've been playing for 15 to 20 minutes and I'm hooked. Now it's my son's turn. I walked him through all the buttons, levers, and tricks. He's loving it, totally engaged. It's got visuals, interactivity, logic, and most importantly, no need for batteries. Honestly, this makes for a fantastic gift for any kid aged 3 to 6. Whether it's a birthday present or a treat, I totally recommend it. Thanks for watching. If you found this fun or helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Catch you in the next one.